Hello everyone. Happy Holy Thursday to you. Hoping that everyone in your family and your community, including yourself, is healthy and staying safe. I wanted to come to you today to show you some of the latest ruby ribbon items because even though it is a time where we've got a lot of other distractions, I've been really amazed at how ruby ribbon hasn't really skipped a beat. And so with that in mind, they sent me some of the latest items, and first people I thought of when I saw them was I've got to share them with my friends. So that's what I'm here to show you today. I hope that you'll enjoy these few minutes of distraction. What I'm wearing, hi Amy, is what they call the pin-up camisole. It is a full support camisole, and you can obviously see that it's black with a V-neck, and it's got a lot of little lace detail. Now this little lace detail is a very, very light blush. Obviously you can see how feminine it is. It also has the same detail all the way around the bottom, and it still has that famous ruby ribbon gripper edge to keep it down all around the bottom. As you all know, the way that these camis are put on is from the bottom up. We step into it just like you would step into a pair of slacks or a bathing suit, and when you step into it, and you're probably not wearing anything else as you're doing that, this gripper edge hits you right around the hip area, anchors itself to your skin, and allows you to pull everything up so that it's nice and smooth, comfortable. You forget you have it on. Here's what it looks like in the back. Might not be quite high enough, so you want to always make sure that your ruby ribbon cami is pulled up around the back as high as possible, because that gives you that added back support for great posture and just a good feeling all around. Now I have on something really special on the bottom. You can see that I've got on some leggings. They happen to be Capris, which means that they come up a few inches over your ankles. For us girls that are about my height or higher, they are great Capris for the summertime. But for the ladies that are a little bit below me, they make a great pair of regular leggings. Now, what's special about ruby ribbon leggings, all of them, is that they have a band that goes all the way around, gives you a little tummy tuck, and also gives you lower back support. It's made of a wonderful material that has intomi woven through it. And what that really means is that these are leggings that you can go out and about in, feel like you're wearing nothing at all, or your pajamas, but yet you look really nice and presentable. So I know sometimes, we might see people out and about in items that might have been better off remaining at home. So you never have to worry about that with the ruby ribbon leggings. And these have something really special. These are called our cargo capris. They have little pockets right here on the side, and look at how cool, just for your phone. There you go. I know these days, we've got a new way of being, and hi Amy. Oh, I've got two Amy's on today. Anyway, we might be finding that we carry around a lot less than we used to because we're pretty much based at home. So you might carry around your phone and your keys, or your phone and a credit card and your keys, or a little bit of cash. You're ready to go with your pin-up full support ruby ribbon cami and your ruby ribbon capri cargo leggings. Now, the pin-up collection has some really pretty shaping briefs that were designed for it as well. This is a good look at the beautiful, delicate, feminine lace. Isn't that pretty? This is just the pure lace on the side. But these briefs have a wonderful waistband that basically just blends in from your skin to the briefs. And the front of it is what they call the cheapest, easiest tummy tuck in town, because it's got that tummy support. It's got the inside has a nice panel that pulls in and supports your tummy, and then the back just gives you a little booty support or lift or shape. I've had all sorts of questions about what women want out of their shaping briefs, but if anybody can do it, these briefs can do it. So these are the pinup shaping briefs that match the all of the pinup collection. And finally, this is the last piece of the pinup collection. It's called the Pinup Demiette. So see how pretty this is. It's pure black in the front. It's got that same gripper edge. I'll show it to you a little bit closer. This is made out of surgical grade silicone, so the quality is high enough to go inside your body. It keeps it down, whether it is a short demiette like this or a long camisole like other ruby ribbons are. And look at how pretty this little racerback is on the back. See, it's got the detail of this pinup right here. So that's the pinup collection. These are the cargo capris. I encourage you to shop my website, hatemybra.com, and check them out. Treat yourself. Also, on an aside, I want you to know that we're having a lot of virtual activities, gatherings and parties, and you and I both know that it's all happening. Thank God we still have the internet, right? So let me know if you'd like to do a virtual party. It's a lot of fun. Doesn't get any easier. We're on the internet anyway, so we might as well be communicating with our girlfriends on some things that we all know matter to us. And so we finally break down and talk about them. They're private. Nobody finds out. I know this is a public live, but the way we do the parties is that we make them private. So only the girls that are invited are able to exchange comments and see what each other is posting. So just like it was when we were little in grade school, no boys allowed. So again, I pray for all of you. I hope so much that all of you are healthy and that your families are healthy. Such a sacred time we're going into. I wish you many blessings and graces and good health throughout these next few days and Easter period. God bless you. Comment if you watch this on the replay, just put #replay and let me know what's going on with you. I'd love to hear from you. Bye-bye.